Let's face it, nobody dreams of parking garages. They're not exactly the stuff of architectural fantasies or the subject of glossy magazine spreads, yet they are an integral part of our urban and suburban landscapes. They're concrete jungles, often dim, damp, and smelling faintly of exhaust fumes. These structures, with their low ceilings and echoing chambers, can feel almost oppressive. But in our car-dependent world, they're essential. Without them, our cities would be choked with vehicles and finding a parking spot would be a daily nightmare. They stack cars like sardines, maximizing space in crowded cities and bustling suburbs. This efficiency is crucial in areas where land is at a premium. We rely on them every day, trusting them to keep our vehicles safe and secure. They are the silent guardians of our cars, providing a haven from the elements and potential theft. But what happens when that trust is broken? When the very structure designed to protect our cars becomes a hazard itself? It's a chilling thought, but one that has become a reality in some unfortunate instances. When the very structure designed to protect our cars becomes a hazard itself? Sadly, it's happened before. The sight of a collapsed parking garage is a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking within these concrete behemoths. Parking garages, for all their utilitarian importance, can and do collapse, sometimes with tragic consequences. These incidents are not just isolated events but serve as wake-up calls for the entire industry. The reasons behind these failures are complex, often a perfect storm of engineering oversights, material weaknesses, and plain old neglect. Each collapse tells a story of what went wrong and what could have been done to prevent it, but understanding these factors is crucial, not just for engineers and architects but for all of us. Knowledge is power, and by learning from past mistakes, we can build a safer future. Because when a parking garage fails, it's a stark reminder that even the most mundane structures can hide serious dangers. These failures force us to reevaluate our assumptions and push for better standards. So let's roll up our sleeves, grab our hard hats, and delve into the gritty world of parking garage collapses. It's a journey that will take us through the intricacies of design, the challenges of construction, and the lessons learned from past failures. We'll explore the common causes, examine real-life examples, and learn how these failures have shaped building codes and construction practices. Each story is a lesson in resilience and a call to action for better, safer designs, hopefully paving the way for safer, more resilient structures in the future. By understanding the past, we can build a better tomorrow, ensuring that parking garages remain the silent guardians of our vehicles without becoming a threat to our safety. Building a parking garage that stands the test of time takes more than just pouring concrete and calling it a day. It's a complex process that requires meticulous planning and execution. Every step, from the initial design to the final inspection, plays a crucial role in ensuring the structure's longevity and safety. It's a delicate dance between design, materials, and good old-fashioned hard work. The blueprints must be precise, the materials top-notch, and the teamwork seamless. Any misstep can lead to catastrophic consequences down the line. Cut corners, and you might as well hang a danger falling concrete sign. Ignoring safety protocols or using substandard materials can turn a seemingly solid structure into a ticking time bomb. One common culprit is skimping on the concrete slabs that make up the floors. These slabs are the backbone of the parking garage, and any compromise in their quality can have dire consequences. Thinner slabs mean less material, which saves money up front, but it's like building a house of cards. The initial savings are quickly overshadowed by the potential for structural failure. They might hold for a while, but add the weight of cars, weather, and time, and you're asking for trouble. The constant pressure and environmental factors can wear down even the sturdiest of materials. Then there's the issue of dynamic loads. The movement of cars introduces additional stresses that static calculations might not fully account for. Cars aren't statues, they move, they brake, they accelerate. Each action exerts a different kind of force on the structure, testing its limits in various ways, all that creates forces that a parking garage needs to withstand, day in and day out. The constant ebb and flow of vehicles can lead to wear and tear that, if not properly managed, can compromise the integrity of the structure. Fail to account for these stresses, and the structure weakens, becoming vulnerable to cracks and collapses. Over time, these small issues can snowball into major problems, putting both the structure and its users at risk. Tragically, parking garage collapses aren't just theoretical nightmares. They are real-life catastrophes that have left indelible marks on communities and families. They've happened, and they serve as stark reminders of what can go wrong when structural integrity is compromised. These incidents are not just about the loss of property but also about the loss of lives and the emotional toll on those affected. Take the 2012 collapse in Miami, where a 5-story parking garage crumbled, killing 4 construction workers. The tragedy sent shockwaves through the construction industry and raised serious questions about safety protocols. Investigations revealed a deadly combination of design flaws and inadequate materials. The findings highlighted the critical need for rigorous standards and thorough inspections to prevent such disasters. Another chilling example is the 2003 collapse in Hackensack, New Jersey. This incident further underscored the vulnerabilities in our built environment. A section of a parking garage at a hospital gave way, sending cars plummeting to the ground below. The scene was chaotic, with emergency responders rushing to secure the area and assess the damage. Thankfully, no lives were lost, but the incident highlighted the catastrophic potential of structural failure. It served as a wake-up call for engineers, architects, and builders to prioritize safety over cost-cutting measures. These cases, and others like them, underscore a critical point. Parking garage collapses are rarely caused by a single factor. They are complex events resulting from multiple failures. They're often the result of a chain reaction, a series of oversights and compromises that culminate in disaster. Each failure, whether in design, materials, or construction practices, adds up, leading to catastrophic outcomes. Think of a rusty old car, eaten away by years of neglect and exposure to the elements. Now imagine that same process happening to a parking garage. Not a pretty picture, right? Corrosion, often fueled by road salt used in snowy climates, is a silent but deadly enemy of concrete and steel. Over time, salt seeps into the pores of concrete, attacking the steel reinforcement bars that give it strength. The steel rusts, expands, and creates cracks, weakening the structure from the inside out. It's like a slow-motion demolition derby, and the longer it goes unchecked, the greater the risk of collapse. Section 5. The domino effect. Small errors, big consequences. In the world of engineering, even seemingly minor oversights can have major consequences. A small miscalculation in the design phase, a shortcut during construction, or a missed inspection can set off a chain reaction that ultimately leads to failure. Think of it like a domino effect. One domino falls, knocking down the next, and so on, until the entire structure collapses. In a parking garage, this could mean a single cracked beam putting extra stress on adjacent beams, eventually causing a cascade of failures. That's why attention to detail is paramount. Every weld, every connection, every inch of concrete matters. Because in a structure designed to bear heavy loads, even the smallest flaw can have devastating consequences. Every parking garage collapse is a tragedy, but also a harsh lesson learned. Over the years, these failures have prompted changes in building codes and construction practices, all aimed at preventing future disasters. Modern building codes are more stringent, requiring stronger materials, more robust designs, and more frequent inspections. They take into account factors like dynamic loads, environmental conditions, and the potential for corrosion, ensuring that parking garages are built to withstand the test of time. It's not just the big things that matter when it comes to parking garage safety, it's the little things too. Take drainage, for example. Water is the enemy of concrete, and a poorly designed drainage system can lead to pooling water, which can seep into cracks, freeze, and cause further damage. Then there are the expansion joints, those gaps in the concrete that allow it to expand and contract with changes in temperature. If these joints aren't properly designed and maintained, they can become points of weakness, allowing water and salt to penetrate the structure. The devil, as they say, is in the details, and when it comes to building safe and durable parking garages, overlooking those details can have dire consequences. The good news is that we're learning from our mistakes. The knowledge gained from past parking garage collapses has led to improvements in design, construction, and maintenance practices. We're using stronger materials, implementing more rigorous inspections, and paying closer attention to the details that matter. Today's parking garages are being built with an eye toward longevity and resilience. Engineers are using advanced computer modeling to simulate stresses and strains, ensuring that structures can withstand the demands placed upon them. New materials like corrosion-resistant coatings and high-performance concrete are being used to extend the lifespan of parking garages. While we can't entirely eliminate the risk of parking garage collapses, we can certainly minimize it. By learning from past failures, implementing stricter building codes, and embracing innovative construction techniques, we're creating a safer future for everyone who uses these often overlooked structures. So, the next time you pull into a parking garage, take a moment to appreciate the engineering